everyone, this is Danny from Alphabab Yuyang New Energy. Do you know what is the most hot selling and popular in the commercial and industrial use battery management systems? Here you can see behind me is the 100 kilowatts and 215 kilowatt hours systems. Let me show you what equipment's inside. Here is a battery cluster. Each battery pack is 64 volts and 280 ampere hours. So the total is 215 kilowatt hours. Each battery pack with a BMU inside. It can connect in the battery voltage and temperature and the capacity to send all the information to the high voltage control box. And the high voltage control box will combine the information and send to the EMS. Later I will show you the EMS details. And here you can see these are breakers to control the air conditioner, the fire extinguisher and lightings. And here this one is the electricity meters. This part is the PCS. It's 100 kilowatts. And this two is MPPT. It can connect to the PV systems. And here is the STS to switching the off-grid and on-grid systems. And this is the main breaker, yes? Okay, let's see here. This is the EMS. It's like the human brain. It's to monitoring all the systems. You can see the details from this LCD screen. You can see our system can connect to the different power supply chain, like the grid, the generator, the PV system. Also, it can change to the wind turbine. And from this part, you can see the grid can send the power to the load, and it can send the power to the battery. And here, the generator also can send the power to the load and send the power to the battery. The PV can send the power to the load and send power to the battery. You can see here with STS. As I told you, the STS, the function is to switching the off-grid and on-grid system. Our STS is milliseconds level. For example, there without power from the grid, the EMS will send the signal to the STS to cut off the grid power supply chain, and the battery will start to work to send the power to the load. Okay, and you can see here is the ATS. If your system needs a generator, you must have the ATS. You need to install by yourself. If there is the ATS is switching to control the grid and the generator. For example, there without the power from the grid, the EMS will send the signal to the ATS. The ATS will cut off the grid supply chain, and the generator will start to work, supply the power to the battery or to the load. So you can see all the system, how does it works from this whole pack. And from this side, you can see the load came from the whole home, from the factory equipment, and also to the EV charger station, right? And from the EMS, you can also check all the data sheet, like the PCS data sheet and the BMS data sheet. The DC-DC, the DC-DC also means MPPT. Our equipment with two MPPT, so there is the first and the second. And here is the air conditioner systems information. And here is the electricity meters and the STS information, EMS information. And here you can also change the settings, system settings, like the voltage, this BCMs, and all the information you can change from here. Okay, that is all from the EMS. And follow my way, I show you the behind this part is the air conditioning. In this 100 and 215 kilowatts, the air condition we use 3 kilowatts or 5 kilowatts. So this is all the information about our 100 kilowatts, 215 kilowatt hours BESS systems. The most important part is you need to tell us what environment you want to use this BESS system. For example, you want to install it in the airline or in your factory, or you want to use it for the peak loads shifting. You tell us this information, and also you need to tell us the power supply chain. For example, the PV system, the gyrator, the wind turbine, or the grid. Send us all the information, we will give you the final quotation. And welcome to contact Danny. I will waiting for your inquiry.